What's up, everybody? My name's Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna be tackling the biggest elephant in the room, which is the rust situation on the inside of the Jeep. It is not great, but I think we can make it better. We're gonna be installing floor pans. The funny thing is that the driver's side here with the massive hole already has been patched once before. So there's already a floor pan in there. So this Jeep did come with floor pans, but which is great. We're gonna use them. We're gonna start to install them, but the rest of this tub is really not that great. So we're just gonna take an overall look at what this is, the good, the bad, the ugly, probably mostly ugly, but we're gonna get the seats out, we're gonna get everything out so we can get a solid look on what's fixable, what's not fixable, what's worth it, what's not, and you guys are coming with us. So let's get into it. Nick, we need some lights.
Yeah, we do.
Can you snap your finger for me, please?
Ah.
Why is it moving? Why is it doing this?
Is it just loose here? What's going on here?
I have no clue. What's happening? Oh, is it the connection? Maybe? There?
Did we break it?
No way. We didn't do nothing. Hold on, let's just make sure it's plugged in all the way here.
I think it was this outlet.
Oh, really? I put it in the center outlet.
Yeah, it's worn.
Oh, that's so funny. We're keeping that clip. Nick is coming in clutch here. He's been like a madman. Cut super straight lines, especially under the pedals. Don't know how you did that, but it was amazing. And we just got some awesome glamour shots of the Jeep. Gleep shots. Oof.
There it is.
That's it, dude. Pull her out, you deserve it. That's it. That's crazy. Piece of junk. A quick little update here. We cut the section out and we trimmed up the floor pan because it was a little bit big. So we got it fitted in. We marked it with a Sharpie here. So what we have to do now is clean this up so we can prepare it for welding. I'm just in here getting off all the factory seam sealer for this edge here, and then we're gonna grind all this down, make a good clean surface for it. We're gonna figure out a game plan for painting that with the right kind of paint and maybe seam sealer in between, but we're gonna tackle that. But this is where we're at right now, and it looks a lot better, I'm telling you. A lot better. It's a lot more promising once you get that whole mess out of there and you actually see your actual situation, but there's still lots of good strong metal in here that we'll be able to weld to and get this floor pan in, man. It's gonna look pretty good once it's done. All right, so we're on day number 2. We have a lot more daylight today. I got off work a little bit early so that we could clean this up, and I mean, if we're able to get this tray in here, we can get the seat back in, maybe pick up that soft top, maybe. So we'll see how today goes, but we just got to clean up what we did yesterday, get it prepped for welding, and be good to go. trick is spraying some POR15. It kind of etches the metal and neutralizes the rust, the remaining rust. We cleaned it up with a wire wheel, wire brush, all the components. So it should be almost ready for welding. Just need to do, we just need to do a final wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, or what? Actually, what do we have? Acetone. So acetone, and we will get to welding. Get that area good.
So I'm pretty much just trying to get stuff that's going to be covered after we weld it.
Yep.
Because we're going to paint it after we.
Yeah, of course. Well, we want to be extra.
I think paint should handle the heat welding better than most paint.
All right, so next we're gonna take our hammer and pans in, but it's not, you know, fully seated. You know, it's not perfect. You do have to massage it a little bit. And this is a zinc-based paint, so it should work with our weld so it doesn't, you know, melt. So pans in, we'll massage it into place, and then we'll get to welding. So we got our first tack, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo!
Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Bye, Phoebe. Say hi to all the subscribers.
Hello, world.
Yes.
Follow him.
Yay!
Like and subscribe.
Yay!
I'm gonna go now.
She knows the deal. All right, bye, Phoebe.
I want the juice jacket.
All right, guys, so let me give you an update of where we're at. So the floor pan is officially in. Welds are not the prettiest thing, but it is in, it is strong. And I just mean, you know, all the professional welders out there, as soon as they see this, they're gonna be like, wow, those are garbage. I make 300,000 a year and I don't even try. Like, but we're cleaning this up and we're gonna be seam sealing over the welds, just giving it a nice complete seal. We're then going to be painting this. The interior of this is going to get rhino lined, and then we're going to coat the underside. And I mean, this is going to get coating on coating on coating. So this is much better than what we had before, which was just a rusty hole. So I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to get right into seam sealing. I keep saying sealering, sealing, and moving forward. All right, guys, so we finished putting the pan in, we welded it down, we put the seam sealer on it, and it's looking really good. We're not gonna be painting it tonight. We gotta let it sit, and it's already dark out, so we'll give it a coat of paint tomorrow. Throw the seats back in. There's gonna be more work to be done on the interior, which we will be sharing with you later. And we got a lot of parts that have arrived, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and there's gonna be a lot more work being done to this 91 YJ, which we're really excited about. I think we're gonna name it Tetanus Shot. So I don't know, drop it down in the comments if you think that's a good idea for a name, or Rusty Krusty the Jeep, or Krusty the Krabs, I don't know. But we will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.